How you doing? This is Chris from Full Blast Pressure Washer Pros on a Saturday, the 21st. It's foggy out here, but it rained the night before. So, all right, this is what we're working with. This house got a lot of algae. I just started pre-treating this. It's already starting to get clean. So we got this driveway here. I have that driveway. I have that front walkway into the house. Got this. The PVC fence. I'm doing a house wash. It's dirty, but not, filthy. I've seen way worse than this. Way worse. Nice pool. This sill I clean up nice for him. We got these stairs. This is gonna come really nice. Got Nico over there. All right. I'll send you the after. Peace.